Hey Carrie, this is Monique over here at Toyota of Melbourne. I had seen that you've been shopping online looking at a new Tundra. I definitely would love to help you out. I'm actually going to go do a quick walk around video of one that's currently in our inventory to see if it's a good fit for you. Let me know if you'd like to schedule a time to come on by and take one for a test drive. Thanks, and I hope to speak to you soon. But for now, come on, let's go take a look.
So this right here is our SR5 TRD Sport Tundra. As you can see, we have quite a few different Tundras in our inventory, so we can really find the right one for you. Of course, as I said, this is a TRD Sport 4x4. This is going to offer you 20-inch 6-spoke premium wheels. This one already has running boards inside of it, and it's a crew cab, so it offers you maximum capacity. It does have a 6-way power adjustable seat, a rear power window. Stepping inside, it's also going to offer you an upgraded Intune system with a full app suite. It also has a safe in the center for you as well. That gives you a key option to lock it. This one also is a 4x4, as we showed you a little bit earlier. It also gives you a trailer brake here. This also has all of your Toyota Safety Sense features as well. Please let me know if this looks like something we could set up a time for you to come by and test drive.